Are you in search of that perfect summer getaway? Picture this: golden sands, turquoise waters, and the enchanting culture of Cancun, Mexico. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most alluring vacation spots this tropical paradise has to offer. From ancient Mayan ruins to underwater museums, each location is a unique gem waiting to be discovered. So if you're eager to start planning your next adventure, stay tuned. Get ready to experience the virtual tour of your dream summer vacation. Our first stop is the Mayan Ruins, a historical treasure right in the heart of Cancun. The Mayan ruins are more than just an archaeological site. They're a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of a civilization that thrived long before the modern world. Nestled in the lush tropical landscape of Cancun, these ruins tell the story of the ancient Mayan people, their beliefs, their culture, and their astronomical prowess. These ruins, with their intricate stone carvings and towering pyramids, are a tangible link to the past. As you walk through the site, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient rituals, the whispers of Mayan priests, and the hustle and bustle of a thriving community. Guided tours are available, providing an in-depth look at the history and significance of the ruins. These tours are led by knowledgeable guides who can bring to life the stories etched in stone. They'll take you through the heart of the ruins, pointing out details that might otherwise go unnoticed. But the Mayan ruins aren't just about the past. They're also about the present and the unique experience they offer to today's visitors. You can climb the steps of the Nohachmul Pyramid, the tallest structure in the ruins, and be rewarded with a breathtaking view of the surrounding jungle and the Caribbean Sea. And there's more to the Mayan ruins than the ruins themselves. They're part of a larger eco-archaeological park that includes a botanical garden, a zoo, and a museum. You can take a dip in a cenote, a natural sinkhole filled with crystal clear water, or explore the jungle trails, keeping an eye out for local wildlife. Nearby, you'll find the beautiful beach of Tulum, where you can relax after a day of exploration. You can enjoy a meal at one of the local restaurants, savoring the flavors of Yucatecan cuisine while overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean. So, if you're a history buff with a thirst for adventure, or an explorer with a penchant for the past, the Mayan ruins offer a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. They're a place where the past and present meet, where ancient stones whisper tales of a bygone era. If history and adventure are your thing, the Mayan ruins should be at the top of your list. Next, we dive into the Cancun Underwater Museum, a truly unique underwater experience. This is not your typical museum visit. No marble floors or lofty ceilings here. Instead, you'll find yourself immersed in the crystal clear waters of the Mexican Caribbean, surrounded by more than 500 life-size sculptures. Each sculpture, masterfully crafted, is more than just a work of art. They are part of a larger mission to conserve the area's natural coral reefs. By creating an artificial reef, the museum aims to draw tourists away from the natural reefs, giving them a chance to recover and thrive. As you swim or scuba dive through the underwater galleries, you'll see an array of sculptures that tell poignant stories about humanity and our relationship with nature. From a crowd of people looking towards the surface to a man on fire, each sculpture is a conversation starter, making the Cancun Underwater Museum as thought-provoking as it is beautiful. But the sculptures aren't the only stars of this underwater show. The museum is also home to a dazzling array of marine life. Imagine swimming alongside schools of colorful tropical fish, observing sea turtles in their natural habitat, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a playful dolphin or two. The Cancun Underwater Museum offers a truly unique perspective of the ocean. It's not just about observing marine life from a distance, but being part of it. You'll feel like a guest in this underwater world, welcomed by its inhabitants and in awe of its beauty. The museum is accessible to both beginners and experienced divers, making it a must-visit regardless of your diving skills. And don't worry if you've never dived before, there are plenty of diving schools in Cancun that offer courses and guided tours to the museum. The Cancun Underwater Museum is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a testament to the beauty of our oceans, the creativity of human beings, and our responsibility to protect and conserve our natural world. For those who love the sea and its mysteries, the Cancun Underwater Museum offers an unforgettable experience. Now let's sail away to Isla Mujeres, a charming island paradise. Just a short ferry ride from Cancun, you'll find the enchanting island of Isla Mujeres. This little gem, whose name translates to Island of Women, is a haven of tranquility, far removed from the hustle and bustle of mainland Cancun. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of the moment. Isla Mujeres is best known for its stunning beaches, which are nothing short of breathtaking. Playa Norte, in particular, is a favorite among visitors. With its crystal-clear turquoise waters and soft white sands, it's the perfect spot to soak up the sun, dive into a good book, or simply watch the world go by. The island's coastline is also dotted with a number of smaller, secluded beaches, offering a more private and intimate beach experience. But there's more to Isla Mujeres than just its beaches. A walk through the island's vibrant marketplaces offers a glimpse into the local culture. Here you'll find everything from handmade crafts and jewelry to fresh produce and delicious local cuisine. It's the perfect place to pick up souvenirs or simply to enjoy a leisurely stroll while soaking up the island's atmosphere. Beyond its physical beauty, what sets Isla Mujeres apart is the tranquility it offers. While Cancun is known for its lively nightlife and bustling tourist scene, Isla Mujeres provides a quieter, more relaxed pace of life. It's a place where you can truly unplug from the outside world, allowing you to reconnect with yourself and your surroundings. Whether you're a beach lover, a culture enthusiast, or just someone seeking a little peace and quiet, Isla Mujeres has something to offer you. It's a place of beauty, tranquility, and charm. A slice of paradise that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Isla Mujeres is the perfect getaway for those seeking peace, beauty, and a dash of local culture. Up next is Park, a place where nature and culture collide. Nestled on the Caribbean coastline, this eco-archaeological park is a vibrant palette of wonder and excitement. The park is a testament to the astonishing biodiversity of the region, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Imagine walking through lush tropical jungles, exploring winding trails, and discovering hidden rivers where you can swim, snorkel, and soak in the natural beauty. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, including jaguars, flamingos, and sea turtles, to name just a few. These creatures live in their natural habitats, allowing visitors to witness their behavior up close. Park is not just about natural beauty, it's also about cultural immersion. The park pays tribute to Mexico's rich history and diverse cultural heritage, making it a living museum of sorts. You can wander through a traditional Mayan village, witness an authentic pre-Hispanic ball game, and marvel at the spectacle of the Papantla flyers, an ancient ritual recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The park also hosts a nightly show, Mexico Spectacular, a breathtaking spectacle that takes you on a journey through Mexico's history from the pre-Hispanic era to modern times. With over 300 performers on stage, it's a dazzling display of music, dance, and folklore that will leave you mesmerized. For the little ones, there's a children's world, a fun space designed exclusively for kids to connect with nature and learn about sustainability. They'll have a blast exploring caves, sliding down water slides, and spotting colorful tropical birds. Park also offers a variety of dining options, with over a dozen restaurants and snack bars serving everything from traditional Mexican to international cuisine. After a day full of adventures, you can sit back and enjoy a delicious meal while soaking in the park's stunning views. In short, Park is a destination that combines the thrill of adventure, the beauty of nature, and the charm of culture. It's a place where you can create unforgettable memories with your loved ones. Park offers a mix of adventure, culture, and relaxation that is sure to delight every member of the family. Last but not least, we have the Hotel Zone, the epicenter of Cancun's vibrant nightlife. This bustling strip, sandwiched between a lagoon and the azure Caribbean Sea, is a paradise for those who love luxury and entertainment. The Hotel Zone is home to an array of luxury resorts that stand as a testament to opulence and comfort. Each resort is a world in itself, offering private beaches, stunning sea views, and a plethora of amenities. Just as impressive is the gastronomic scene. The Hotel Zone is dotted with world-class restaurants serving an array of cuisines, from authentic Mexican to gourmet international dishes. Seafood lovers, prepare to have your taste buds tantalized. But the fun doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Quite the contrary. The hotel zone is known for its bustling nightclubs that come alive with music, dancing, and cocktails, offering unforgettable nights of revelry. For those who love luxury and lively nights, the hotel zone is your perfect match. So there you have it, 5 fantastic summer vacation spots in Cancun. From the awe-inspiring Mayan Ruins to the ethereal Cancun Underwater Museum, there's an adventure at every corner. Fancy a serene retreat? Isla Mujeres is your haven. For thrill seekers, a Carrot Park promises a world of excitement. And to wrap it all up, the hotel zone offers the ultimate luxury experience. Remember, the perfect summer getaway is waiting for you in Cancun. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel insights. Safe travels!